Hi everybody! Today I will share with you our favorite salted chocolate chip cookie recipe. This will help me earn the salt badge from Waffles Emoji. If you like cookies that are crispy on the outside and chewy on the inside, these cookies are perfect for you. You can store them in a sealed container for 3 to 4 days, but they never make it past 1 day in our family. So if you want to see how I made them, keep watching my video. Hi everybody!
Hi everybody!
Welcome to a new episode of Lana and Ellie in the kitchen, aka Waffles and Mochi.
Mikey!
Look guys, in the last episode I got a tomato badge. And today me and Ellie are trying to get the salt badge. To get the badge, we are going to bake salted chocolate chip cookies, my favorite. The star ingredient is salt flakes. Kind of look like snowflakes. Ellie, let's try some. It tastes like salty chips. And they're crunchy. What do you think, Ellie? I think she means yummy. Besides salt flakes, you will need all-purpose flour, salt, baking soda, unsalted butter, granulated sugar, light brown sugar, 1 large egg and 1 egg yolk, vanilla extract, semi-sweet or bittersweet chocolate, coarsely chopped. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Line 2 baking sheets with parchment paper. Put the flour, baking powder, and salt in a big bowl and whisk them together. Then set aside. And a stand mixer, beat the butter, sugar, and brown sugar on medium speed for about 3 to 4 minutes until it is light and fluffy. Separate the egg yolk and add it to 1 whole egg. Scrape down the side of the mixing bowl. Add the vanilla extract and eggs. And beat on medium speed for another 4 to 5 minutes. The mixture should look pale and fluffy. Reduce the speed to low and slowly add the dry ingredients. We prefer chopped chocolate, but you can use chocolate chips if you want. Fold the chocolate into the mixture using a spatula. They are too good to resist. Scoop the cookie dough onto the parchment paper and sprinkle them with a pinch of salt flakes. This usually gives us about 18 big cookies or 24 smaller ones. Bake the cookies for about 10 to 12 minutes until just golden brown around the edges. Let them cool a bit and transfer them to wire racks to cool completely. They look so delicious.
Smells good. Smells good.
Look at this, guys. My mouth is watering right now.
I'm gonna try this one. I like the chocolate, makes it sweet and crunchy. Yeah. Oh.
How is it?
Good. Ellie, I have an idea. Let's dip it in milk.
I'm just gonna dip a little.
Mmm. The milk flushes it a little.
I present to you the salt fat. Okay.
Yay! And it looks like sprinkles.
Ellie?
Magic perfect.
Ellie still can't reach. Move.
Yay!
Second batch added to my collection. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. And I'll see you next time.